Animals often lick their wounds, and this behavior is more than just an instinctual response. There are several reasons why they do this, including the presence of protective and healing properties in their saliva. First, let's talk about the antibacterial properties. Animal saliva contains enzymes like lysozyme and peroxidase, which have antibacterial properties. These enzymes can help kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria at the wound site, reducing the risk of infection. Next, we have cleaning the wound. Licking helps to clean the wound by removing dirt, dead tissue, and other debris that could cause infections. This mechanical cleaning is essential, especially in the wild where animals don't have access to sterile environments. Lastly, there's pain relief. Licking a wound can stimulate the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers. This can provide some level of comfort to the animal as it deals with the injury. Let's talk about promoting healing. Animal saliva contains growth factors that can promote wound healing by encouraging cell proliferation and tissue repair. This can help speed up the healing process, 5. Soothing the area. The act of licking can have a cooling effect on the wound, which can soothe inflammation and reduce irritation. 6. Instinctual behavior. In addition to the chemical benefits, licking is an instinctual behavior that has evolved over time. Animals naturally lick their wounds as part of their self-care routine, passed down through generations. Limitations and risks. While licking can have some benefits, it's not always ideal. In some cases, excessive licking can lead to delayed healing. Constant licking can reopen wounds or prevent them from healing properly. If the animal's mouth is not clean, licking could introduce bacteria to the wound, increasing the risk of infection. And some animals may lick obsessively, leading to conditions like lick granulomas, which are chronic skin lesions caused by persistent licking. In summary, animals lick their wounds primarily because their saliva contains protective enzymes, growth factors, and natural pain relievers that can help clean, protect, and promote healing of the wound. However, while this behavior has benefits, it can also pose risks if it becomes excessive or introduces harmful bacteria.